What is up, my fellow fishing friends? Today we are going to try to catch some epic fish on the lowest amount of money we can spend, and that is going to be this slip sinker rig right here, a egg sinker. You can use any size that you feel comfortable with, a barrel swivel, and then we have a little bit of a leader here with a treble hook at the end. You can also use a single hook. I like to use treble hooks with the bread to triple my chances. So you take the bread, you're gonna wrap that around your treble hook, just as I'm doing here. You don't have to be too aggressive, but firm enough to pack it down. And then you have to make sure that you dip that bread in the water before you cast it out so it doesn't fall off. After that, make sure you hold on to your rods, your reel drag system loose, and get ready for some epic fights. These carp do not play. A carp, simply 2 pounds, can take your brand new rod setup in the water and you'll never see it again. So stay alert with these fish. There's not many fish that can do that. And happy fishing. Like he might have me around something, but it's definitely a fish. Yeah, he definitely has me around a tree, so we're gonna pull tightly and hopefully he unravels himself. I feel the, oh yeah. It feels like I'm on a tree right now, but we're just gonna keep slowly, we're not gonna pull too tight, but we're gonna keep slowly turning them this way. Oh, did it just come off? Man. Snap me off. So. Okay. We're gonna get him. we're gonna get him, man. We're gonna do it. We have another one on. Hopefully this one we get in. Got him in the same area over there. Except this one we got right away. So he didn't have much time to get around those trees. It feels really heavy though. So we're gonna have to see. Yeah, he's around something. I'm gonna try to keep the tension. Hopefully he unravels himself. It seems like he did. This almost does not seem like a carp, it seems like a catfish. He got me around something else even, and then came unraveled. He's slowly coming this way. Still don't know what it is, but again, he's fighting more like a catfish than a carp. All right, now we're getting some fights. There we go. Yeah. He's for real this time. Oh, apparently I'm bleeding as well. Nice. Really good fighter, whatever this is. Still have not seen it yet. That awesome mag reel setup we have going on here. He's a really, really good fighting fish here. Got him on the white bread. It is indeed a common carp. We have confirmation. Oh, look at that. He was feeding on the bread, but didn't even get him in the mouth. Got him right under the lid. Awesome. What a fighter, man. Current's helping him out a little bit here. All about that bread. Always head first, guys. Always. Nice chunky common carp here. This always makes a slow day definitely worth it. I mean, just one of these fish, just one of these fish in itself is worth in a whole outing. There's guys in Europe that go out there for days, for weeks even, to try to catch one of these common carp. Here we are. Absolutely beautiful, fresh, common carp. This fish could easily have not been caught before. There's no hook marks. Extremely, extremely clean fish. Very beautiful fish. And that's just on that white bread, guys. Just on that white bread. Going in for the release. As long as you balance and brace their body, no discomfort. They chill. Be easy with these guys. Beautiful fish, majestic. He gone. Cheapest, most epic fights you can ever get. That's gonna do it for us. An extremely cheap white bread today. It's just cheap white bread from the dollar store. Well, you see the ingredient list there. But anyways, we had a fun day today. Chicago River. It is all about that bread. If you don't have anything to sweeten your own bread, you could use that sweet wheat bread, or any bread that says wheat bread, but it's not 100% wheat bread. Is always typically based with like a maple syrup or a cheap corn syrup, which makes it sweet in general. We were able to catch a carp today on the bread. It was a fun experience. Missed one and caught one. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time with another GeoFishing exclusive. I appreciate your support. I appreciate your consistent viewers. It's gonna be a great summer. Please subscribe if you haven't already. we'll see you guys next time on another geofishing exclusive. Peace.